the ultimate DJI Air 3 review, features, first impressions, and more. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buyer's Guide. Today we're taking a deep dive into the DJI Air 3, the latest mid-range drone packed with dual cameras, extended flight time, and improved obstacle avoidance. Is this the best drone for creators and enthusiasts? Let's find out. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Unboxing. Key points. Sleek and compact design with foldable arms. What's in the box? Drone, controller, batteries, propellers, and cables. Dual camera system plus 3 telephoto lens. Key points. 4K 60f video with crisp details and vibrant colors. Dual camera versatility, wide angle for landscapes, 3x zoom for close-ups. HDR video and night mode for stunning low-light shots. Master shots and quick shots for cinematic automatic filming. Key points. Impressive 46-minute flight time per battery. Advanced obstacle sensing, 360-degree vision sensors. OcuSync 4.20 kilometers transmission range for long-distance flights. Return to home and waypoint mode for precise navigation. Who should buy it? Best for? Content creators and travel vloggers. Drone enthusiasts upgrading from older models. Filmmakers needing high-quality aerial footage. Not ideal for if you need a budget-friendly option. Those looking for a lightweight mini drone, check DJI Mini 4 Pro instead. Is the DJI Air 3 worth it? Tell us in the comments. The DJI Air 3 is an impressive mid-range drone that bridges the gap between beginners and professionals. If you're looking for top-tier camera performance, extended battery life, and intelligent flight modes, this might be the perfect drone for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.